Hello, it's Autumn with today's haul. Alright, let me show you what we got today. Today we have these shorts, and it's by Champion. You can see by the tag here, for a couple dollars. And we have this interesting picture, half off, $1.50, with some information on the back regarding California redwood. So imagine this is redwood here. It's so light though, but I like the picture. Upside down. Not sure why there's a crack here. Maybe they couldn't get a big enough piece of wood to print it on. And then we have here this Craft and Barrel embroidered birds with pine cones and berries for 99 cents. These are from the Salvation Army. And then we have Dockers slacks for 99 cents. Size 32-29. It's in good condition. Feels silky, smooth. Maybe not so silky, but anyway, those are all from the Salvation Army. So I spent $5.40 something cents. And then I have a couple of ninjas in the house. One is for yeah, some kind of food slicer, dicer thing. These ones look older because they're so big. From my sister. She wanted me to sell them for her. And then we got the blender in the back. Yep. That's today's haul.